What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching another video. It has been so long since I've uploaded a video onto my channel. I've uploaded a few shorts here and there, but a full-length video, it's been probably 2 or 3 months. It's been a while. And essentially, just stuck in the cold weather. There wasn't really much to do over the winter with the cars and whatnot. You know, tracks are closed and all this stuff. I am getting a late start. We're almost in June. So I should have started probably filming stuff maybe a month ago, but got kind of lazy. Took a little break, but now we're back. There's a couple of changes that are going to be coming to the channel. And number one, I still haven't installed the new downpipe on this car, on my S3. I'm going to be doing that soon. It's a 4-inch Mabotech downpipe, full 4-inch. That's going to be put on the car, and we're going to be selling the CTS downpipe that it has on it. A couple other little things that I've done to the car, like I did some like vinyl, like badge skins things. Really cool stuff. I don't know how I feel about it. It looks pretty good, but you know, I am sponsored by them now, which is really cool, by the way. I'll put their in my description down below. And I also bought a new car, and that you guys will be seeing in the next video. This car is more for, I'm going to make videos on it and see how it gets received, but it's more for me. It's something that I've always wanted to do ever since I was 17, 18 with my first car, and you guys will see that, again, in the next video, the new car that I bought. I think I got a good deal. Super low mileage. Again, you will see. But today, a lot of you guys want to hear my exhaust setup. Basically what it is, it's a CTS downpipe to an MBRP Catback exhaust, and still all my mods, hybrid turbo, all fueling and all that stuff. But I got a better mic setup now that should be able to capture the sound better. Not saying that the car sounds great or not, but a lot of people are curious. A lot of people DM me asking me what my exhaust setup is. Some of them like it, some of them don't. I'm just going to put out a video of what the car sounds like with my new mic setup. And again, guys, you will see the new car in the next video, so let's get right into it.